Hey there, amazing video editors. Welcome back to Digital Creators Hub. I'm your host, Blessing. Today, we are going to explore 4 exciting split screen effects that you can achieve using Adobe Premiere Pro. Split screens are a fantastic way to add visual interest and creativity to your videos. Whether you want to compare multiple shots or create a unique storytelling style, these effects will surely impress your audience. So let's dive right in. The first effect is vertical split screen. Let's get started with the classic vertical split screen effect. This effect allows you to display 2 separate clips side by side. It's perfect for comparing before and after shots or showcasing different perspectives in your video. So to get this done, import your clips to the timeline. Then select the first clip, go to Effect Control panel and search for the crop effect. Drag and drop it onto your clip. Then adjust the left parameter to crop the left side of the first clip. Select the second clip, then go to Effect Control panel and apply the crop effect again. This time, adjust the right parameter to crop the right side of the second clip. Ensure that both clips align perfectly. And there you have it, a clean vertical split screen effect. The second effect is horizontal split screen with border. So next up, let's create a horizontal split screen with an eye-catching border. This effect is ideal for comparing 2 similar scenes or even showcasing different locations simultaneously. To get this done, import your clips to the timeline. Then select the first clip, go to the Effect Control panel and search for the crop effect. Adjust the top parameter to crop the left side of the first clip. Then select the second clip, go to Effect Control panel and apply the crop effect again. This time, adjust the down parameter to crop the right side of the second clip. So ensure that both clips align perfectly, and there you have it, a clean horizontal split screen effect. The third effect is diagonal split screen. Let's take this up a notch with a diagonal split screen effect. This one adds a dynamic and cinematic touch to your videos, perfect for action scenes or storytelling with a unique twist. So to get this done, you can import your clips to the timeline, then navigate to Effect Control, go up to Opacity, select the pen tool in Opacity, and draw a rectangular shape with the pen tool. Use the selection tool to adjust its shape and position to make the area you want visible. Bravo! You have just created a captivating diagonal split screen effect. The fourth effect is the 3-way split screen. Last but not the least, let's explore a 3-way split screen effect. This one adds complexity to your storytelling and allows you to showcase 3 related shots side by side. To get this done, import your clips to the timeline. Then go to Effect panel and search for radial wipe effect. Apply the effects on your third clips. Then navigate to radial wipe effect setting and increase the transition setting. Make adjustments on the start angle to give you your desired 3-way split screen. Fantastic! You successfully crafted a compelling 3-way split screen effect. Congratulations on mastering these 4 impressive split screen effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you can elevate your video editing game and add that extra flair to your content. Don't forget to experiment with various shots, transitions, and creative elements to make your split screen effect truly unique. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more exciting video editing tutorials. Thank you for joining us today and happy editing.